Question number 80, name the types of motors used in vacuum cleaners, phonographic appliances, vending machines, refrigerators, rolling mills, lathes, power factor improvement and cranes. Answer. Vacuum cleaners, universal motors. Phonographs and appliances, AC induction motors, DC motors or stepper motors. Vending machines, DC motors or gear motors. Refrigerators, AC induction motors or brushless DC motors. Rolling mills, AC induction motors or DC motors. Lathes, AC induction motors or DC motors. Power factor improvement, synchronous motors or capacitor run motors. Cranes, AC induction motors or DC motors with variable frequency drives, VFDs. Subscribe for more videos, thank you.